I was just wondering with this stimulus package, I've heard two different stories. I've been on Social Security for 10 so well since right after Katrina.
Okay.
And I don't file income tax.
Okay.
Because that's my sole support is Social Security. And I've heard that unless you file income tax, you ain't going to get it. But I've also heard everybody in America is getting it.
William, that is an excellent question. Jim, do you want to jump in on this one?
Yeah,
I have a little information as well.
I can jump in to the extent I can. I've seen several versions of that bill. The final version was only passed Friday afternoon.
That's right.
I do not know definitively what's in the bill. My general understanding, the last version that I saw, which I think was the one that was passed, was it was going to be based on your 2018 income tax returns, and that's the basis of it, but that there will be other provisions for those who do not have an income or maybe fall in your bracket, but it won't necessarily be that same set amount that's going to be awarded based on the income tax. And you may have heard something different, Candace.
No, Jim,
this is brand new info.
It is, and he's right, and that bill is, William, it's 1,200 pages. I mean, it is considerable. So anyone who tells you they know everything that's inside of it right now is probably summarizing. But Jim's right, it's supposed to be anyone who filed their 2018 taxes, or if you've already filed your 2019 taxes, you qualify. But if you're already in the government system, which you are because of your status right now, it should roll over to you. But I would absolutely go ahead and call the IRS or go to their website and all that sort of information, because they will definitely have you in there. And Jim, there's a lot of people who, because of income, don't have to file income taxes.
That's right.
Year, especially in Mississippi.
And there'll still be something in the bill for them.
That's right.
And we'll have better information. I apologize, William, for you next week, but this thing was only passed Friday afternoon.
That's a great question, though.
Right? And we'll have better information next week. And you can even go to our website over probably the middle of the next week. We'll have a nice summary of the final version of the bill on the website.
That's a good detailed question, though. But William, I do think you're going to be covered because you are kind of in the system. But we'll follow up with you next week for sure. But until then, I know you can't wait till Saturday night of next week. Well, I hope you're still watching, though. Definitely go to the IRS's website, and I think you'll be able to find it. And they have a whole website now set up for this bill, and it's called the Emergency Family Relief Act. It doesn't roll off the tongue at all, but just put Corona.
I'm confident there's something there for you.
Yeah.
I can't tell you the details of it.
We'll get you. We'll do better next week.
Yeah.
Good question, though. Very good question.